Good morning, children. Yesterday we have studied the steps in nutrition and nutrition in amoeba. And today in this video we will discuss about the nutrition in humans. As we know that our body needs energy to do work, and this energy we get from the food which we eat. The food we eat is a complex food, and this complex food is converted into the simpler form and soluble form and digested by the this digested food is absorbed by the cells and energy is released. This energy is utilized or used by the cells of the body for the growth and development and for various activities. So and the digested food also removed from the body with the help of digestive system. So in this video we will discuss about the digestive system. Digestive system consists of various organs and associated glands. These organs are buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These are the organs and form the alimentary canal. Some associated glands with the digestive system are salivary gland, liver and pancreas. This gallbladder is found in the liver. So alimentary canal and digestive glands, they form the digestive system. The digestive system from esophagus to the anus is called alimentary canal, and in humans alimentary canal is about 9 meter long. So we can clearly see the digestive system in this picture. Look here, from mouth to this part, throat, this is the buccal cavity, and this food pipe from buccal cavity to the stomach, this is a long pipe and it is called food pipe or esophagus. This J-shaped structure is called stomach. This is liver, and this gland is leaf-like structure, pancreas, and from stomach a long coiled structure we can see clearly. This is small intestine and this part is the large intestine. After then this is rectum and this opening part is anus. So organs and associated glands form the digestive system. Now we study the journey of the food through the digestive tract. Yesterday I told you about the steps of nutrition. The first step is ingestion of food. So ingestion of food means taking the food inside the body. In human take the food inside the body through mouth with the help of their hand, and here in the mouth the food break down into smaller pieces with the help of teeth and tongue also. Both are tongue and teeth both have their important function to chewing the food and make them the bolus. Bolus is the semi-solid food because the food which we eat is complex, and when salivary gland is present in the buccal cavity, when saliva mix in the food convert into the semi-solid and this is known as bolus. So tongue and teeth both have very important role in the ingestion of food. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back of the floor of buccal cavity, and it helps in mixing saliva with food, swallowing of the food, taste the food, and helps in speaking. It also has small taste buds on their surface which help to detect the taste of the food. We can see taste buds in this picture. In the front it tastes the sweet, sideways sour, and sideways of the sweet is salty, and backside taste buds are found for detect the bitter taste. After then, in buccal cavity, teeth also has very important role. In human, teeth grows twice in their lifetime. The first set of 20 teeth appears by the age of 2, and these are known as milk teeth. After falling these teeth, a new set of 32 permanent teeth appears, and this set is called permanent teeth. The permanent teeth are 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. These 4 types of teeth have different in shape, and they have a particular function. The number of teeth in each jaw is different of different teeth. Incisors are found in front of the mouth, and they are used for biting and cutting the food. The number of teeth of incisor in each jaw is 4. Second is canines. These are pointed and sharp and used for tearing and piercing the food. The number of teeth in each jaw is 2. After then, premolar. Premolar are used for chewing and grinding the food. They are broad and flat, and the number of premolars in each jaw is 4. After then, molars. They also use for chewing and grinding the food, and they are also they are similar to the premolar but larger than premolars. The number of teeth in each jaw of molar is 6. So different type of teeth have different function. Incisors are used for biting and cutting the food. Canines are used for tearing and piercing the food. Premolars and molars are used for chewing and grinding the teeth.